Today I'm going to be demoing a active Wi-Fi scanner. I want you guys to notice that I'm not connected to the internet here. And what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be using this Python code to connect to the Happy Travel Wi-Fi router. Okay, so without further ado, let me just show you the demo real quick. I'm going to run the Python file. I'm going to enter the SSID of the network you want to connect to. So in my case, it's going to be Happy Travel. Right. Okay, now I'm going to enter the password of it. And I should be connected to the target network. And then if I go over here, you can see I'm actually connected to the target network. So I'm going to leave the code for you guys in the description. You guys can use it, or I might even put it in GitHub repo one day if I ever get to it. But this is basically the code here. In a future video, I'm going to show you guys how to make this a little bit more advanced. You know, how to automatically scan for networks, and then how to automatically enter passwords in as well.